Gafydd molestial, y fel rhywm a gyff.
Ha, trwy'n ddysdiach.
Room fadd a room to let. Room fadd. Eisht, listen again and look out for the words for sitting room, room sille, and bedroom, room cathil. Room sille agus room cathil. Ceist ma?
Ceist.
Siaw, room fadd.
Trwch ma.
Waar zijn laat?
Gaat je wel mijn vader?
Hij jou ons een room zie.
Klap wel op. Waar?
Janish.
Cwas a hasef, as an oban. An thaban, bala bria. Agus seo an room cathil. Capel of.
An room suye, the sitting room. An room suye. An room cathil, the bedroom. An room cathil.
Room sille, then, is the sitting room or living room. Sille means sitting. And room cathil is the bedroom. Cathil means sleep. And the kitchen is an kitchen. An kitchen.
Fel yw ti'n ysdech?
Ha? Ha mi chian. I'm coming.
Kerst, waar zijn laat?
Gaat je wel mijn vader?
Hij jou ons een room zie.
Klap wel op.
Agus seo an room cathil. Capel of.
Siwr sy'n. Agus siwr cathal. Agus siwr kitchen.
Sean room see
Glefa. Hai môr.
Ha? Hi, môr. Stal am fysyn.
Sean room cathil.
O, stal am yn rhwng sio. Yn tal i tene.
Stal? Gaan je laat donen, ietsjer.
Sean kitchen.
Hai fyr yn jyn a chael.
Ag jarab.
Yn kitchen môr cwjoch.
Ha?
Agus, shin and room ilwach. The bathroom, room ilwach. Look out for room ilwach in Ekentai.
Gaf molestial.
Jeha u giori ian. Sio ian.
Tapelat.
Kom hem terug in Jola. Dat was maar Eli. Ha Eli Amsterdam Elwatch.
Gres ost Eli, ha dati giori golgan rumjungwat.
Kaartje wel een stoch, Gynjakum.
Gaan je Lisa kunnen graai? Ounsen rum katel.
Chanel.
Ounse hitchen.
Chanel.
Ounsen rum jungwat me ha.
An room yulach, the bathroom. An room yulach. Ounce a kitchen. In the kitchen. Ounce a kitchen.
The kitchen is an kitchen, but in the kitchen is ounce a kitchen. Ounce a kitchen. Kerst ma?
Kerst. Hai glefa, ach, ha mi gyri darwm cathil.
Ha Eli Amsterdam Elwatch.
Gres ost Eli, ha dati giori golgan rumjungwat.
Carter fel yn stoch yn iacym.
Chanelisa Cymraeg. Awn sy'n rhwng cadl.
Chanel.
Awn sy'n hitchen.
Chanel.
Awn sy'n rhwng ywlad ma ha.
Daddy, fel yn stoch yn iacym ond yn rhwng iwlad.
Really? Minach.
Daddy, gyda dy faraf.
Eli! Sgwrje!
Ac wat glefa, na chael? Siesh yn y rwyd. A sio coiad ma, na chael? Kitchen, room sy'n, room cadl, room iwlad, agos room cadl ele. Ha da room cadl lawn. Ha da room cadl lawn. It has 2 bedrooms. Da room cadl. Ha da room cadl lawn. It has 2 bedrooms. To say there is or there are, you say ha, whatever it is, awn. So ha kitchen awn, there's a kitchen. Ha room sy'n awn, there's a sitting room, and so on.
This shop flat on the yoker. Kitchen, room sy'n, room cattle, agus from England down.
Chanel ta room cattle.
Chanel.
As ni kiri tele ta room cattle.
Well, Clonakov.
Chanel hast.
Shop flat there on the yoker. Kitchen, room sy'n, room English, agus da room cattle down.
Clever.
A mi gyori rhaid mae'r son gys mae sy'r tole.
Le rwm iwlad.
Ha mae sy'r tole. Ha rhaid miwn na jawn.
Glefa.
Tachbylwf. Agus camera Elen.
Tachbylwf.
Tachbylwf.
O ha Elen clefa.
A fel to iacaf o'n giast.
Ha te yw'r acyn. Ha dia. Sio, sy'n yn tei.
O, ha e snog.
Nes i sio yn kitchen.
Sio?
A i sio yn rhwm sy'n.
Ha e snog.
Ha.
Ha da rwm cati iawn na ha.
Ha.
Tachbylach. Ha te snog agad.
Ha da room cadl awn. There are 2 bedrooms. Ha da room cadl awn.
Ha da room cadl awn. There are 2 bedrooms. And one of the women in that last scene said, ha tai ur aking. Tai ur. We have a new house. Ha tai ur aking. And another woman used the word snog. Nice. Snog. Eist fy riist. Listen again.
A fel to iacaf o'n giast.
Ha te yw'r acyn. Ha dia. Sio, sy'n yn tei.
O, ha e snog.
A mi gyori rhaid mae'r son gys mae sy'r tole.
Le rwm iwlad.
Ha mae sy'r tole.
The People's Palace on the northeast edge of Glasgow Green is arguably the most populist museum in the city. Many of its exhibits are everyday objects from the home, as well as very nostalgic recreations of what houses used to be like. On show, you'll find houses from many different periods and a wide variety of standards. Here we see the typical single end. This is a model of the post-war favourite, the prefab. And remember when tellies and radios looked like this? I don't. And even the twin tub was a thing of the future.
Catch you, Rhoda.
How many who's a staire?
Gleva.
Who's a staire? Upstairs. How me who's a staire? I'm upstairs. How me who's a staire? Eistjuf son who's a staire?
Gafaf go leisgal. Catch you, Guru.
Shinne, who's a staire?
Ah, tapalov.
Serpe.
Dia sio. Cadw fel iau.
Iang. Ha hwsteir.
Ceart. Iau, trod!
Huas a staire. Upstairs or up the stairs. Huas a staire.
Nishe, who is a staire? Ha darum cattle, eggs room and watch.
Who's a staire? Upstairs. Who's a staire? Listen again. Eistjuf eist.
Gafaf go leisgal. Catch you, Guru.
Shinne, who's a staire?
Ah, tapalov.
Serpe. Who's a staire, maha? Upstairs then. Who's a staire? Agus inisha, and now, Hammy, here's a staire. Downstairs. Here's a staire. Look out also for the phrase type big. Toilet. Type big.
A sio snog.
Ha? Catch you, Tabig.
Chan i sacl.
Gafaf mo leisgal. Catch you, Tabig.
A here's yn steire.
Tapalov. Ah, here's staire.
Hello, come on, Andrew.
Gleva, tapalov.
See if she is.
Tapalov.
Is she showing tea? And kitchen. And room C,
Ashin ma, tapalov.
Sin an room Yolech. Agus a room cattle here's a stay the kucha.
Gleva.
Hies a staire. Downstairs. Hies a staire.
Who's a staire? Upstairs. Here's a staire. Downstairs. Eistjuf eist. Listen again.
Gafaf mo leisgal. Catch you, Tabig.
A here's yn steire.
Tapalov. Ah, here's staire.
Is she showing tea? And kitchen. And room C,
Ashin ma, tapalov.
Sin an room Yolech. Agus a room cattle here's a stay the kucha.
Nothing bad.
Hallo, Matting va. Is mis je dal mag geneus.
Ah, mag geneus. Paardje, give us chair. Nes Sean kitchen.
Nee, va?
Hanfred shit. Agus Sean stove.
Kerst.
Nes Sean room see you. Hey, food. A cha chinna aan, chinna.
Gleva, maha.
Agus nes Sean room capital. Ha prisa aan.
Kerst, gleva.
Agus Sean, you could?
Oh, tapelev. Kijk je wel room much.
Oh, ha mi dully. Chinna room you wat.
Gleva, tapelev.
Nes je pay me fall off. A mi pwyd chi ys steire, agos ma hasio fi gyr I car.
Gleva, agus tapelev.
Some of the new words in that last scene are very like the English ones. So for instance, fridge for fridge, stove for stove or cooker, and presse for cupboard or press in Scots. The word for fire is chena, so the fire and chena, the fire. The word for key is jucher, the key and jucher, the key and jucher. And the woman in that last scene said, "Ma hashiv a geori kal." If you want anything, ma hashiv a geori kal.
A mi ffrydych chi ys ysdeire, agos mae hasio fi gyr I car.
Glefa agus tapio.
In Egenheich this time, look out for leppy, bed, leppy.
Ha yn tos jesal, Eli! Eli! Join! Greta fyra! Ha yn tos jesal! Ian! Greta fyra! Ha mi y falaf! O, siwt, Ian! Ha mi dod o gofr, ffem y mi falaf. Catch fel Eli!
I gwrs ysdeire. Let's o'r steli. A mam I y falaf.
Cheer I Mahaya.
Oh, how falaf. Cheery me ham.
Cheer I grach.
How geary, Daddy?
Y marmalade. Catch fel y marmalade.
Honey, let's suck him.
Yn pressa. Y fel I ons y pressa.
Honey, let's suck him.
En jocher. Cheer I Maha.
Avami, catch the marmalade.
Ounce of fridge.
Ons y fridge.
Bring me falaf and scarf.
Jerry i'r ai. Eli, catch fel yw'n.
Falaf?
Catch fel yw'n.
Ah, he. Hounds a leppy.
Arms a leppy. In bed or in the bed. Arms a leppy.
Ounce a leppy literally means in the bed. But ounce a leppy can also mean in bed. Ounce a leppy. Listen again.
Bring me falaf and scarf.
Jerry i'r ai. Eli, catch fel yw'n.
Falaf?
Catch fel yw'n.
Ah, he. Hounds a leppy.
Jem Giri Maha. Oh, gwan I fian mas at the hole. Cashed. Sinead son of program show. That's it for this program. Next week, I'm going to be going shopping and looking at ways of dealing with money.
Sio Maha.
Tapalet.
Wel tapalet yr wda.
Shut the bell. Slantje.
Slantje fa.
Slantje. Maar shouldn't leave.
In this week's programme, we introduced you to Ha Kitchen Aun. Ha Kitchen Aun. Aun's a kitchen. Aun's a kitchen. Aun's an room suje. Aun's an room suje. Aun's an room cattle. Aun's an room cattle. Huas a steire. Huas a steire. Hies a steire. Hies a steire. Ons a leppy. an sy lebi.
Good program Sheikh Jiag. Welcome to program 17. And you, Hami Aun and Gwasahu, Agus, Hami Adob Yana Buhin. Today, I'm in Glasgow and I'm going shopping. In the program, we're going to be dealing with money. And the word for money is aragid. Aragid. One way to ask how much something costs is to say, J nahashin. How much is that? J nahashin.
Wil je een keer een koeren?
Daniel, akura naking ek en tui. Bedata. As je giri bedata.
Orange.
Daniel. Jane hashin.
Martin va, hij vuur nach
Ha, hij vuur.
Jane Hashin, maar zeer tolle.
Jech moetigen.
J nahashin. How much is that? J nahashin.
Evilshiv igiri kurain. Do you want carrots? Kurain, carrots, agus, buntata, potatoes, buntata. In that last scene, the price given was jich nottichen, £10. Nottichen is the word for pounds. So jich nottichen, £10. Ishtiveriisht.
Daniel, akura naking ek en tui. Bedata. As je giri bedata.
Orange.
Daniel. Jane hashin.
3 maar zeer tolle.
Martin va, hij vuur nach
Ha, hij vuur.
Jane Hashin, maar zeer tolle.
Jech moetigen.
To say a pound or £1, you say not. Not. And for £2, you say da not. Da not. So, not, £1, da not, £2, agus 3 nottichen, £3. Notice that with in and da, you just use not, but from 3 onwards, you use nottichen.
Not. Da not. 3 nottichen. 4 nottichen. Koig nottichen. 4 nottichen. Seach nóchtichen. Och nóchtichen. Neu nóchtichen. Jich nóchtichen.
The word for penny is skilling. Skilling. And it doesn't have a plural form at all. So you have skilling, 1 penny, da skilling, 2 pennies, 3 skilling, 3 pennies, and so on.
Skilling, da skilling, 3 skilling, 4 skilling, 5 skilling, 6 skilling, 7 skilling, 8 skilling, 9 skilling, 10 skilling.
Of course, lots of prices involve something 99. So, 1.99 would be da not ach skilling. Ach skilling. Bar a penny. Literally, but a penny. So, da not ach skilling, £2 minus a penny. Look out also for the phrase Karsten Kritisch in these following scenes. Karsten Kritisch. Credit cards.
Ha mi géri seo na sé tolle.
Ceart me ha?
Jane hasin.
Hasin, leich nótigin ach skilling me sé tolle.
A bhfuil sibh a gafal Karsten Kritisch.
Ha?
Access.
Ha? Tap leaf.
Tapleif. Hey, fuaden ju nach hill.
Ah, hey, fuair.
Ha sin jech nóchtige nach skillen ma sé tolle.
Is we gal Karsten Kritisch?
Ha, ha sin a gal Karsten Kritisch.
Vil shiv a gaval. Do you take a vil shiv a gaval? Karsten Kritisch. Credit cards. Karsten Kritisch.
Fiskur ma?
Fiskur ma. Jane hasin o sér tolle.
Ha sin cihir nóchtige nach skillen.